Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting together side by side for financial freedom. Let's go ahead and take a look at the JASMY price set once again, because I think that we are so back. We are seeing it rise across the board that a lot of things are up, double digits actually. JASMY is also no exception right here. In this video, I'm going to be focusing much more on how high JASMY can go and of course the general conditions that we have in the market, because that has also been something that is important for JASMY to just go ahead and outperform the rest of the market. So it's looking great. Before we start, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread the video by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, because I do TA on JASMY and a number of other different altcoins on a regular basis. Let me also show you this amazing offer that our partners over there at Elbank are offering for new users. If you happen to go ahead and register with the link that I've put in the description, you can go ahead and claim up to $120,000 USDT position value. And let me just show you how this works. So your normal futures account, if you happen to be trading over there on LB exchange, which by the way is a 9 KYC exchange, and so it's basically a 50% airdrop of what you deposit. Let's say in your futures account you've deposited $1,000, you can go ahead and claim up to 450 USDT trading position that you can go ahead and trade and obviously make money off of that. So go ahead and check the rules and see what's what right there. One important thing is that of course once you get the reward, you have to use this within 7 days. Other than that, it expires and of course the whole thing will be useless. So go ahead and check the link that I've already put in the description and you will see what I'm talking about right there. Coming back to JASMY, we are looking at the daily time frame here, and we have been focusing over the last few weeks here. Obviously not enough views, but it is what it is. I only talk to people who are interested. We are residing right around this resistance / support. And I think that the price action that we are seeing here from JASMY is just indicating that this is not a serious resistance, because how can you be breaking above it, drop, break above, and it's just playing around it? If this is a serious resistance, you would just see the price just heading towards the downside. So this actually gives me much more courage. And of course, we have also been taking a look at one of the most important indicators here, which is the RSI. And very simply, the RSI is saying that JASMY is not overbought at all yet. So this is just the beginning. And we are saying that when the price is already risen from the bottom, a total of about 120 something percent. So if this is the beginning, I wonder what actually the big one is going to be looking like. We will definitely talk about that. But I think it's obviously clear to a lot of people that, when JASMY is about to get a rejection, we see the RSI being in this overbought territory. Now we're not even yet there. So this actually tells me that JASMY still has got way more juice to go ahead and do something special here. Now, we've always needed a healthy market for JASMY to go ahead and do the special thing that I'm talking about. And one of those things is obviously the Bitcoin price. Now, what we are seeing here with the Bitcoin price is like the most bullish thing that you ever come across on a chart, because we have been able to defy everything basically. So the downward sloping resistance broken, the horizontal support broken. Now, even the most important Fibonacci retracement levels have also been cleared. So if we happen to close the daily candle very much close to where we are with Bitcoin, I mean, this is going to be translating to JASMY very much sooner rather than later, because you know the deal, right? In this whole period, ever since 2023, I mean, BTC managed to go up 6x from its bottom, right? But JASMY from its bottom at some point, when it reached right around 6 cents here, it was up 20x. So you can see the outperformance very much obvious. So just a healthy Bitcoin means an even healthier and better JASMY. And that's exactly what we are looking forward to here in conditions like these ones. And one other thing that we have also been taking a look at time and again is the 50-day moving average, saying that, look, it doesn't get clearer than this. It's so simple. Above the 50-day moving average, JASMY is bullish. Below it, JASMY is going sideways or maybe towards the downside. Now, we just don't want to be talking about these things. We literally want to put our money where our mouth is. And in our trading group via Patreon, we were trading this JASMY position over the last 3 weeks. I've been telling them that, look, guys, I'm dollar cost averaging into this position here on JASMY, and the average has been 1.4 cents, right now at 1.7 cents and up, 220% basically. I think the best is yet to come, and at the end of it all, this trade may actually bring in something like a 15x and stuff like that. So we'll see how the whole thing eventually plays out. But let me show you what my price targets are here for JASMY, both immediate short term, and probably will touch a little bit on the longer term as well. One thing that I usually refer to when we have had huge crashes like these ones is to see where the price can initially bounce to and get an initial rejection. So from the very top until the bottom here of Fibonacci retracement 2, I think that something like 3.34 cents, 3.5 Fibonacci retracement level is something that JASMY can do very much with ease, I would say. because from where the price is sitting, we're looking at right around 100%. Now, if we also take a look at these previous rallies, that actually has been almost averaged, like above 100% in terms of like the pump. So that's good. But am I saying that this is where the JASMY price is going to be ending? I don't think so. I think that, the other things are going to be dependent on how the Bitcoin price actually flares. But I would actually say at this point, it's very, very likely that the Bitcoin price heads on and does something like $130,000, $140,000 as a new all-time high. And in a scenario like this one, I'm anticipating that JASMY can go ahead and do the full Fibonacci extension of this whole crash that we have had. In that case, we're looking at a price target of about 20 cents or something like that, 23 cents. Now we are really way far off of that, but I think these things can also happen very, very fast, because we are also seeing that when we take a look at the Bitcoin dominance here, it's dropping so hard. I mean, take a look at that. This is the daily chart. It's been dropping, and altcoins have actually been doing a great job over the last 24 hours. So this here is saying that altcoin season that we have actually been yearning for is probably finally here. And in a scenario like this one, I don't think JASMY is going to be left, because JASMY has got such a great community behind it, and it can draw a lot of eyeballs to the project. So I think we're in safe hands at the moment, and these are the things that I'm looking forward to. Yeah, I'm putting my money exactly where my mouth is, and this has been the messaging over the last 3-4 weeks. I'm sorry if you didn't come across the videos, because people haven't just been watching, but it is what it is. I want to thank you so much for watching the video. If you could, please delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family. I will see you on the next one. Take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.